At, back, Saturday. At, back, Saturday.
Bounces off the front of your tongue. Your jaw is down, and your tongue is pushed a little forward. Let's practice spotting the differences between A in at and other similar sounds.
Kate wants a cat.
The A in Kate is two sounds. The A in cat is one sound.
Kate wants a cat. Ron ran. Ron ran. Ed likes to add. Ed likes to add. Is it a hut? Oh, it's a hat. Is it a hut? Oh, it's a hat. She said sit, so I sat. She said sit, so I sat.
Thanks for watching. Check out more videos to continue your practice.